Hey friends, so in this video we are going to see we are going to unpack this Gillette Fusion ProGlide styler. So I ordered it from Amazon. So decent packing, like the simple packing, did not come in box. So that So we have one trimmer, one cartridge, 3 combs, one battery. So this is one cartridge, like we can also use it, and it is like use and throw one. So you can use it for 1 or 2 times, depends on the blades. So this is the manual, and this is a trimmer. So it's like it comes in my hand. We have 1, 2 and 3 different combs. So the size is written here. Let's see, 1, 2, and this will be 3 mm. This is the holder. Keep it like this. And you can put it this comb here. So we have one trimmer, one cartridge, one holder, 3 combs, and one battery which is inside here. So, and this is like for your beard, for body trimming, and you can also use it while doing showering. So it is pretty awesome, and like it's very cheap. It's $20. So that's the thing. I'm going to use it in the shower for what. As you can see, like I have put all these things in one folder. So you can put these combs here inside it. 3 combs here, the cartridge here, and the trimmer here. So this will be whole set for your trimmer, body trimming. And you can also clean this with water because it's water resistant. thank you for watching the video. I hope if you have any comments, put it below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.